How to replace the light bulb in an LG oven. If your LG oven light does not turn on when you open the oven door or when you press the oven light button on the control panel, it may be time to replace the bulb. The oven light bulb is a standard 40-watt appliance bulb that you can find at your local hardware store. Before you change the bulb, first make sure the oven has not recently been used to avoid accidental burns. Then disconnect the power for safety. This can be done at the main fuse or circuit breaker panel, so there is no need to move the unit. Next, open the oven door. Remove the oven racks for easy access to the glass bulb cover and bulb located in the back of the oven. Remove the bulb cover from the socket by turning it counterclockwise. Then turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the socket. Insert the new bulb and turn it clockwise until finger tight. Do not over-tighten. Lastly, place the cover over the bulb and turn it clockwise until it locks into place. Do not over-tighten. Now you can reconnect the power to the range. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.